baking wizards. Compete to create the most magical and incredible sweet pizzas. Inspired by the legendary stories. Is that me? No, it's me.
Brand new Harry Potter Wizards of Baking, coming soon on Food Network.
Chef Robbie frying those Cox stones. These are cool. I think there's a lot of residual liquid fat underneath that skin on the exterior.
I might have went the wrong direction. I taste it and I realize that it is getting a little bit crispy like I like it. So I'm going to chop it up and incorporate it into the saute.
Chef Robbie, how you looking?
Looking cute, feeling cute.
가로지 망명구요 쳐요 소라.
I'm going to use my alien tomatoes and make a vinaigrette. I want chunks of tomato and I add olive oil and champagne vinegar. I decided to use ridiculous
얘가 없어요.
I like Tuscany. Time to slice my off for
아가스핀 이라이.
really hammers that for. Yeah. It's a little bit overcooked. And I'm someone who takes a lot of pride in nailing new temperatures. But this one
And be spice.
1 minute to get it done, chefs.
With my heirloom tomatoes, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to salt them and season with oil and lemon.
30 seconds, chefs. All 4 ingredients. Come on, chefs. Let's go, chefs. Let's go. Chefs gotta finish those plates up right now. 10, 9, 8,
약간 그 물란지래냐.
5,
그래도 가만 가.
3.
또야 자가 스페게랑 제 아웃풋이.
I feel fantastic. If it cooked my meat, I would serve this back in my restaurant.
The wild boar, I think I seared it a little too much, but the flavors is there, so let's see what the stick.
For this Bella Italiano, we've given you cocktails, tomatoes, wild boar, and cannellini beans. Chef Lee, please tell us about your dish.
I lived in Tuscany for a little over 2 years, and when I saw those ingredients in the basket, I definitely got a little excited. Today you have a polpette finale, pureed cannellini beans, then the wild boar mistricone meatball.
I like this dish. The fact that you ground the wild boar